Welcome to the Wild Soul.Cooking channel, and today we'll show you a very ancient breakfast recipe. 2 pieces of bread. What country are you watching my video from? Olive oil. Toast one side of the bread. 2 eggs. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you don't miss my next video recipes. Great to see your support. Season with salt and pepper. Put like so that your grandchildren are healthy. And we will make a dessert from the middle of the bread. 1 piece of chocolate. You can also use cheese. Fry a little in the pan until golden. If you like the food I made, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. My breakfast is already. I love making this for myself and my son because it's very quick and easy. Hello, how is your mood? Today I am preparing a delicious toast, a new recipe. This video will also include a recipe for a simple and quick mojito that anyone can make. 2 slices of bread. What country are you watching my video from? Two sausages. Subscribe to my channel. I cook simple, delicious recipes. 2 eggs. You can support me by sharing my video. Salt. Click like to support me. Vegetable oil. A slice of processed cheese. My dream is 50,000 followers. Subscribe to the channel. A little ketchup. We repeat everything once again. One slice of cheese. Please write a comment or leave an emoji. A little ketchup. At the end of the video, I will share new unique recipes with you. Looks super appetizing. Now I will prepare mojitos for the whole family. We love drinking mojitos. 1 lime, some mint leaves, three tablespoons of sugar, This is an incredibly delicious breakfast. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm preparing a new recipe for breakfast, delicious sandwiches with eggs. 1 small tomato. What country are you watching my video from? Two egg whites. We will use the yolks later in the recipe. Salt and pepper. My new dream is 70,000 followers. Subscribe to the channel. Two small sausages. Mix everything well. Two slices of bread. I always prepare very simple recipes that everyone can repeat. Olive oil. You can support me by sharing my video. Pour the mixture into the center. Click like to support me. Fry until done. Please turn on the bell to receive notifications of my new recipes. Put the yolk on top and fry for 2 minutes, depending on which yolk you like. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe. Look how appetizing it looks. I love this kind of breakfast. By the way, I recently gave up coffee and now drink cocoa. Cocoa is delicious even without sugar, and I love its taste. Do you prefer tea, coffee or cocoa? Write your opinion in the comments. I always read your feedback. At the end of the video, I will share new unique recipes with you. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a new way to make eggs with bread. 2 slices of bread. Subscribe if you like quick and easy recipes that anyone can make. A little butter or oil. Fry until golden brown. Be sure to try this recipe and don't forget to like and share this recipe with your friends. Olive oil, two eggs. Put an egg in the middle. Fry until cooked. Please like it, it's important to me. And I'm happy for every like, because I see your reaction. One sprig of green onions if desired. I will be happy for your subscription. Click the bell so you don't miss new recipes. I have my favorite cherry flavored tea for breakfast. What is your favorite tea? This is a very simple and original breakfast. I love to cook it almost every day.